Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Science with Neha. Today we'll be discovering something very interesting from our daily life. I have got this dry cell with me which I have dissected. So this is a simple cell which we use at home. So in this cell the main medium is chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. So let's see what is there inside which lets it work. So for that I opened the cell. I have got the first cover of the cell, that is a normal cover. Then below that there was a PVC plastic cover in it so that things should not go out. Then the main thing, that is a zinc can. This can which you are seeing is made up of zinc. Now in this can there is electrolyte. Electrolyte is made up of ammonium chloride and manganese dioxide. So this is actually a semi-solid substance. So now what is the function of zinc? This zinc can loses electrons and act as an anode. These electrons will then move into the inner medium, which is a semi-solid medium, from where they can flow and reach to this rod. This rod is made up of carbon, which is a cathode. So as long as these electrons move towards the carbon, the cell is working. Look, this is a sticky part inside if you see. So this sticky part, if you see, that is electrolyte, ammonium chloride here. So this is coming from inside, ammonium chloride. So as long as these electrons move from zinc to carbon rod, the cell is working, otherwise the cell is weak. There is one or two more reasons why the cell gets weakened. Number one is when electron tendency for zinc reduces. Number two, maybe the electrolyte which is there inside gets dried up and becomes powder. So when it dries up, so it will not allow the electrons to flow. Number three is when the chemical reactions are occurring inside these dry cells, so impurities are being formed. Sometimes it happens and impurities become so much that they will distract, they will not allow the flow of electrons. That time also cell becomes weak. So this is how cell works and cell gets weakened after some time. Hope you like my video. Do share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. Stay tuned. Bye-bye till then.